Hello everybody, it's time for my second video of the garage renovation series, and after I installed the lights everything was kind of better. I can see what I'm doing here. Now I think that I should start tackling the issue of the walls. They're kind of dirty, old, they've never been finished, they've never been painted. I think maybe once in their lifetime. This building was built in the 70s, I think 1974 to 1976. So it's been a long time since they have been finished, refinished, and fixed. So I hope today I'm gonna start the process. I'm gonna try some new materials and let's see how everything is gonna go. So basically the walls look like this, and as you can see they're kind of roughly finished. So I hope that I can fix this with this thing that I bought. It's a special finish for the walls, which I will try today. I'm not going to be able to finish anything. I'm going to just do the trial run and see if it's going to work or not. All right, so now I'm using this thing that I bought, and to read the instructions first. And it says that it needs what? How much? Then they don't say. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay, so 8.5 liters of water for this 20 20 kilos, right? Yep. For this 20 kilos of finish. So I'm not gonna mix that much. I just want to do a trial run. So water. It's about half a liter, just a little bit more, and mix. Okay. I like the consistency. Now I have to do a cleanup. It's pretty thick. I hope that it will work fine. It gives a nice finish. I think that I will need a little bit more water, but I will finish this in a second. Alright, so this looks kind of alright. And now I have to sprinkle some water over the walls because they're very dry, and I think that whatever I put in on there is gonna crack very quickly. So I'll try to do this, and I'll do just a small patch right over here to see how it works. I was considering doing it over there where the bikes are, but I have to remove the bikes, or maybe I will do it there. I think that I should do it there. I will remove the bikes, put them here, and then I will do some plastering right over there. Let's go. Okay, so this space is now free. It's ready to be worked on. I have to just do some touch-ups over here. There are some holes right over there, and I will keep working. Basically, I did something to the wall that I'm not gonna say. Just to remove one small piece of, I don't know, it's a nail or something that my grandfather put in there for some reason. I'm not gonna fix it right now. I'm just gonna move on because my plaster is going to start getting very, very thick and dry. So let's go. Okay, so I'm by no means a professional plasterer, but this already looks better. I'm gonna show you in a second, and I will keep working. I'm gonna do a time lapse for you. Hopefully this corner I will be able to try and see how it's gonna look. And this will be for today. I'm gonna show you the before and after, right? Right. I think that I'm done with this test. I need this to dry, and then I need this to I need to sand it, and then I need to put another coat, and then we'll see how it's gonna look. For now, I'm going to wash my tools and show you how this thing looks. been 2 hours. My glasses are very dirty. It's been almost 2 hours since I started tackling this corner right behind me. I put another light so I can see what's happening. It's not perfect. This is the first coat. I will need to wait for this to dry. Then I need to do some light sanding and another coat. This is what it says on the packaging. Um, I hope that this will not fall off the wall, and hopefully you can see how uneven the wall is. You see here, but you can see here, and we go down and up and down and up and down. I will not be fixing these. I don't have the time. I don't think that I need to invest that much time in this space right now, maybe someday. But for now, I just want everything to be smooth and I just want it to be cleaner looking. Walls is next, then electrical all around the place, and the lamps. And then I will have to remove the sink. The sink is very old and it doesn't look very nice. And I'm planning on adding a work table. There is the backbone of the work table. It's my old grandfather's old work table. I liked it very much. I have some big slabs of material, wood here, so hopefully I can use those. But first, walls, then electrical, then sink, and then floor. I don't like the floor. See, it's not very nice. Now I will clean up a little bit, and then I will clean up my car since it's Sunday, and then some rest.